everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can change the URL or the username of a page. So I'm opening a page. First of all, I change the profile which I'm using from personal to the page profile. So let me choose it from clicking this button. So after changing the profile from here, I have to then click on the setting and privacy, then setting. There will be a new window and you have to click on the page setup once again, and if you click on the page setup, you will see the name of the page. So here you see the name of the page. So if I click on the view button, then we can see the username is blank. So we have to just click on the username, then you have to write down the username, your desired username or the URL you want to create. Well, I have to choose a unique one. So now the username is available, so I am just giving the change. You have to put the password here. Now it's done. So if you open the page once again, you will see the username has been changed. Please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please click on the share and like button.